حتى إذا جاء أحدهم الموت قال رب ارجعون لعلي أعمل صالحا فيما تركت كلا إنها كلمة هو قائلها ومن ورائهم برزخ إلى يوم يبعثون.
Come back to Allah. Don't you understand? He loves you. You will never find happiness. You will never find contentment anywhere. Go. I've been, I've seen, I've tried. You will never find happiness. You only find it with the Lord of happiness, Allah. Everything you're looking for, Allah possesses it. But like scavengers, we're going around like wild beasts, trying to find our own happiness, our own success, failing to understand that it's all with Allah. Just go back to Him, man.